I think there's a number of factors here where perhaps we could have taken some earlier action or preventative action. So we know that Joe has had depression. The obvious thing that happens here is Joe is therefore on medication. I'd like to question whether that's the right approach for Joe in the first place. Have we tried anything else? Have we tried to intervene earlier in low-level depression before we got onto a medical response? And there's something there about how our medical professionals, our GPs, are thinking about what the alternative to medication might be. I think there's also something then about if we think about some of the wider things. So we know that Sian, the little girl, relies on her dad, and they've got a really good relationship and bond. There's something for us to think there about workplaces, actually, how well, the huge number of public sector employers in Wales. So actually, we have leavers here. How well are we supporting those relationships, paternity leave, parental leave, and the likes for dads? We can see here that it's a really important relationship. And then I think that there's, we're seeing that the relationship has broken down at the point that they have another baby, and we know that the tensions that often arise during that kind of pregnancy and maternity period, for example, we see a big increase in risk in terms of domestic abuse during that period. So how well are we all of our professionals around that family picking up on the fact that Joe's already experiencing some mental health issues, she's going to be having a new baby, what are the likelihood of potential further sort of depression and issues for the family there. And then we can see that as a result of all of that, Matthew's alcohol use is increasing. Who is spotting that? So when the midwife and health visitor are coming to see Joe and Sian, are they actually looking at the family holistically? Are they talking about what's going on with Matthew? Are they even asking questions about what's going on with Matthew? So I think here what we also know is that addressing all of these issues, looking at the family holistically, and thinking about how we need to tackle those issues, because otherwise they're going to have a long-term impact on this little girl, Sian, is exactly what we need to be doing in order to prevent adverse childhood experiences happening for Sian and the effects that they have when she becomes an adult.